Kiwi fruit occupies an unusual space in nutritional discourse, frequently mentioned, rarely understood with any precision. Most people know kiwis have vitamin C. Far fewer know that there are two commercially dominant varieties with meaningfully different nutritional profiles, and that the choice between them has implications beyond simple taste preference. Gold kiwis and green kiwis are not interchangeable. Understanding why requires looking at both their chemistry and their practical utility. Gold kiwis contain approximately 161 milligrams of vitamin C per fruit. Green kiwis deliver closer to 84 milligrams per fruit. That's nearly double the vitamin C from the gold variety, and it makes gold kiwi one of the most vitamin C-dense fruits available per serving, significantly ahead of oranges, which hover around 70 milligrams. For someone strategically managing their vitamin C intake, choosing gold over green where both are available represents a meaningful nutritional upgrade without changing anything else about their diet. Gold kiwis also taste notably sweeter and have a smoother, less fibrous texture than green. For many people, particularly children or adults with texture sensitivities, the fuzz and tartness of green kiwi is a genuine barrier to regular consumption. Gold kiwi removes that barrier. From a public health perspective, a nutritious food that people actually eat consistently outperforms a more nutritious food they find unpleasant and avoid. This is an underappreciated dimension of dietary recommendations. Green kiwis, however, have their own advantages. They're typically less expensive, more widely available year-round, and contain more fiber per serving than gold. Fiber matters for digestive health, blood sugar regulation, and satiety. If budget and gut health are the priority, green kiwi makes a strong case. One piece of information that changes most people's kiwi consumption is the simple fact that the skin of both varieties is edible. The fuzzy outer layer of green kiwi is a meaningful source of fiber and contains concentrated antioxidants. Most people peel it reflexively, discarding nutrition they paid for. Washing the skin thoroughly and eating the fruit whole, or blending it into a smoothie, captures those additional benefits. Gold kiwi skin is smoother and more palatable for this approach, which is another practical argument in its favor. Ripeness management is worth addressing here because it directly affects both vitamin C content and taste experience. Kiwis are typically sold underripe. Eating them at this stage means harder texture, sharper tartness, and a less pleasant experience that discourages repeat consumption. The most effective strategy is to purchase hard kiwis and ripen them at room temperature, ideally alongside apples or bananas, which emit ethylene gas that accelerates ripening in neighboring fruits. When the kiwi gives slightly under gentle pressure, it's at peak ripeness and peak nutrient accessibility. One practical warning: kiwi contains actinidin, a protease enzyme that can cause oral tingling or mild irritation in people with sensitive mouths or pineapple sensitivity. If you're introducing kiwi to children or to people with known enzyme sensitivities, start with small amounts and observe.